I've started using women's deodorant. I say started, I've been doing it for 3 years now, so I'm like fully in. What I like about women's deodorant is that you've got so many flavors. I'm being serious, you've got wild rose and vanilla, jasmine and cocoa milk, cucumber and chamomile. Men's deodorant, we've got 4 flavors, right? Sport, active, dry. I feel the same way about women's perfume and men's cologne. Women, once again, you've got sensible scents like flowers, vanilla, jasmine. Men, I've never smelled a men's cologne that doesn't smell the exact same way that Red Bull tastes. I don't know what it is, but it's bad juju in there. I also hate the way that they advertise women's perfume compared to men's cologne. So women's perfume is always going to be beautiful girl with long hair. She's just rolling around in a nondescript field. She'll turn to the camera, just have a full orgasm at it. A French voice comes on, it's just Serendipity by Dior. Men's cologne advert is always white guy with stubble or bald black man. White guy with stubble or bald black man will just walk through a brick wall like he doesn't understand or paint it. He's a man! A wolf will run by and he'll just fucking punch it. Rip out its heart, lift it to the sky and squeeze it over him. Voiceover goes savagery. Up you go, boss. Watching it, just like, I want to come in the field. She looks like she's having a great time. He looks like he's going to get dysentery. I hate the term person of colour. I hate if anyone called me a person of colour to my face, I would punch him in the nose. I hate it because it's a really lazy racial term, I feel. Because all you've done is take the term coloured person, made it all fancy and hope we wouldn't notice. You noticed. But it's stuck, it's a format that works. Maybe it's a way that makes racial terms a bit lighter. Maybe at a football game, instead of hearing, "Oh, fuck off Sterling, you black bastard," it's gonna be, "Curse you Sterling, bastard of the black." I'm worried white people are gonna take it too far. Instead of the N-word, I'm gonna hear old white men across the country going, "The N-word? Oh, never! Oh, I never! I merely meant person of niggardly descent." And then I would never allow my daughter to go out for a person of niggardly descent. You're absolutely right, I'm a goddamn hero. I went to a very white school growing up. I know, my voice hides it so very well. In my school there are only 3 black kids my year. There was me, Darren, Sam and Josh. Sam and Josh were these 2 mixed race kids, so they're only like 1 full black man. Like, they could only say the N-word when they're holding hands. But the weird thing with being like one of the only black kids is you get to be a lot of people's first black friend. But it's also the opportunity to be like the first time be racist in face-to-face for the first time, and it's very weird because they haven't had the opportunity to do it yet, so they usually use stereotypes, and the way they use them, they try to insult me, but they'd always just come off as compliments. So what happened is a kid would be like, "Eni, I didn't know you could swim. I thought your big dick would weigh you down." I'd be like, "Thanks." Or like, "Eni, how'd you get so big? Is it all that chicken and watermelon?" I'm like, "Yeah. Lean meat and food is really good for building muscles." And also they'd call me names, but it would only be the only black people that they know, so they'd just be like, "Oh, whatever. Shut up, Obama. Like, the leader of the free world, yeah, I do share his vision and his charisma. Even the school itself was very weird about racism. So I was in a musical at school, and I was part of the chorus, so they're not talented enough to be part of the main act. They get to be a bunch of background characters. And I'm going to tell you a list of the roles that I had, and just, I don't know, raise your hand or laugh or cheer if you think it sounded a little bit racial. So, one of my roles, bouncer. Another role, drug dealer. Third role, preacher, not priest, specifically. And my biggest role, Mr. T. So I noticed this one, I thought to this one, and I went to the director and I was like, sir, I think some of the roles are giving me kind of a little bit offensive, and I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with that. And he's like, oh, no, Eni, we gave it to you because, you know, you're the best dancer. Yeah, of course, no, that checks out. Yeah,